Hey everyone, Adam and Maria here at Fitness Together Burlington, going to take us through the goblet squat. So first, Maria's going to start with her feet flat here on the floor. Maria's going to look to soften her knees as she thinks about becoming an elevator, dropping down to the floor. Arms are going to raise up as a counterbalance in front of her, and Maria's going to stand back up to the top. So what Maria's attempting here is to allow those knees to glide forward toward those toes, allowing for a vertical drop. What I don't want to see Maria do here is I don't want to see her turn this into a hip hinge. I don't want to see Maria's hips starting to shoot back behind her as she bends her knees. In the event that this occurs, a quick problem-solving hack is going to be to slightly elevate the heels. If you're here in the studio with us, plates is always a great option. If you are at home, a rolled-up yoga mat, the back of a book, anything that'll give your heel a slight pitch forward. That is going to allow Maria's knees to glide forward a little bit more and help make up for any inadequacies she might have in her ankle or hip mobility. It's basically just going to give her a little bit of a head start. It's going to allow Maria to keep her torso a little bit more vertical on the descent. So, after Maria has mastered the bodyweight iteration, we can go ahead and start to load up this position with a dumbbell in the goblet position. So Maria's going to keep top and bottom of that weight glued tightly to the chest. She's again going to descend down and then drive that floor away. Again, this has been Adam and Maria here at Fitness Together Burlington.